These are your glutes, and we're gonna show you how to train them.
This is a barbell RDL, also known as Romanian deadlift. It's great for your glutes and your hamstrings. You're gonna need a barbell. You're going to need to set the hooks on the actual squat machine right at about knee height so you don't have to bend down too much. And you're gonna walk up to that bar. Make sure that you touch your thighs to the bar so you are super close. Very important with RDLs that you maintain that weight as close to your center of gravity as possible. You're gonna wanna squeeze your armpits, bring those shoulders back, tighten up that core, lift a couple steps back, set your feet, look down at your feet. They do not have to be perfectly narrow. Slightly turn them out just a little bit. You're gonna take a deep breath, squeeze those abs, and you're gonna shave your legs with the bar. You want to keep squeezing those armpits, hinge your hips back for a deep stretch, and then come up using your glutes and your hamstrings. When you do this, you want to make sure that you're looking down at the ground and you're not looking up this way. It's really bad on your neck and your back. So tuck your chin, come down, hinge, and then come back up. Again, this is a hinging motion, utilizing mainly glutes and hamstrings, not a squatting motion. So your butt should not be dropping down when you're doing this. You're trying to shut a car door with your booty, just don't dent it. Once you've completed your reps, you're gonna take those steps forward. Make sure that you come up against the squat rack to drop that into the little J hooks there, and then you're complete. Do it right the first time, and don't lift like an asshole, friends.